Welcome back. Hope you're enjoying your Thursday so far. You know, if you stepped outside at all today, what you experienced is how hot and muggy it is out there. Meteorologist Tommy House is joining us here for a better look at our forecast out there. And Tommy, one thing that really stuck out to me when we were talking about all this is that we have not hit that 100-degree mark once this month.
Yep.
How can that be? It certainly feels that way.
Yeah, several 95 to almost 100-degree days. We've hit 96 7 times now this month. It's 98 outside currently, but you're right, Will. We haven't seen the triple-digit mark so far this month for June. Now in May we had 2 triple-digit days, so that brings our official count to 2 for the year so far. But from the start of the month through today, which is the 19th, we've seen 0 triple-digit days, as well as last year we didn't have any through the first 19. Now in 2024, they actually closed out the month of June with 4 that happened between the 19th through the end of the month. How about 2022? 13 of those first 19 days were at or over the century mark. So you can see that we haven't had the excessive heat so far this June, but that's not stopping us from July and August getting back up into the triple-digit mark. So this is 100 days per month. So this is June, where we've total, since keeping records in the 1890s, have had over 200 triple-digit days. But July and August, that's getting close to 1,100-degree days or warmer. So August is by far the hottest month here in Central Texas. And even September and October, we can still see 100 degrees or warmer. This is looking at the day by day through the summer months. We're somewhere around here, and you'll see that through the rest of the summer, which the summer solstice is tomorrow, we'll be having at least a few more weeks of keeping an eye on how many triple-digit days we can break here in Central Texas, because there is a long way to go up the mountain before things are all set. We are also tracking all of the statistics and the triple-digit days that you can find. KXAN.com, our Christopher Adams puts together several graphics that will give you a better idea of what we typically see. We average about 29 triple-digit days per calendar year. Last year we were in the lower 30s, and we also have our team of meteorologists that are forecasting how many 100-degree days we think we'll reach. I think I have 38, and that's the least amount out of the rest of the team. So head over there for the latest info on that. All right, here's your current conditions. This is our Marble Falls camera. You see a few puffy clouds and blue sky. There's the water looking nice and refreshing, 98 degrees, feeling like 105 at this hour. Keeping an eye on the radar for a few tiny light showers out in Bastrop and Caldwell. These aren't severe. No lightning has been detected, but hopefully we can send some of this up to the north and west toward the Austin area. We've still had a bit of a change in the drought monitor, the recent one that just came out, but we need a lot more rainfall to get back up to that threshold of where we should be for this time of year. Here's your evening planner, 87 by 9 p.m. By 11:83, we'll see increasing clouds overnight heading off into your Friday. Starting off your Friday, 77 in Austin, 75 in Georgetown, low 70s out toward the Hill Country, and Milam, Lee, and Fayette, mid to upper 70s. And by the afternoon hours, pretty much the same as today. 97 is my high in Austin, 94 in Georgetown. Winds coming in out of the southeast, 94 in Llano, 90 in Cameron, 93 in Bastrop. You factor in the humidity, the feel-like heat indices over the century mark for east of I-35 and then west of I-35. Mid to upper 90s and maybe an isolated triple-digit for that apparent temperature. Rain chance around 10% for our eastern counties. Should be dry in the Hill Country tomorrow. It's going to be during the afternoon hours, and even then, high-resolution models, clouds and radar, are trying to put something here, but I think we'll stay dry. I mean, it could get a brief temporary shower similar to where we're standing right now, but nothing to cancel or move around any sort of plans. Here's your weekend forecast. 97 on Saturday, 96 on Sunday. Sun and scattered clouds with a 10% rain chance. Our high pressure is going to move up to the north and east, bringing 90s and even a few 100s up the east coast. For us locally in the Lone Star State, that means we'll see at the upper levels a southeasterly flow that will cool us down just a little bit from 97 to 95 by next Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, bringing rain chances up to 20% next Wednesday, Thursday. Until then, most of us will be staying sunny with just a 10% through Tuesday. Here's your KXAN first warning weather 7-day forecast. 97 Friday, Saturday, 96 on Sunday, Monday, 95 Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. with a scattered shower and storm for the middle half of next week.